Oh no, my laptop won't charge, won't power on, or it powers down after turning on. What do I do? Step 1. Make sure the power adapter is plugged all the way into the DC port. May need to twist the cable to make sure there is a good connection. There should be a charging indicator light on the side of the laptop or on the top of the laptop. You may need to also check your wall outlet and try a different one if it does not work. You may need to charge the laptop a few hours before turning back on. Make sure to press and hold the power button for about 6 to 10 seconds to turn on the laptop. May need to touch the power button for about 1 second as it could be in sleep mode. Safely remove any peripherals that are in the laptop, such as USB. If laptop is still not powered on, unplug the power adapter. Press and hold the power button for about 30 seconds. Connect the power adapter again. Wait for about 30 seconds and then turn on the laptop. Thank you.